In this example, we will be evaluating the square root of 19 by approximating it to the nearest tenth place value. To do this, we want to look at perfect squares near 19. Examples are 4 squared, which is 16, and 5 squared, which is 25. We can see that 19 falls between 16 and 25. Using this information, we can write the following inequality. 16 is less than 19, which is less than 25. Now we can take the square root of all the values in our inequality. The square root of 16 is 4, because 4 squared is equal to 16. The square root of 25 is 5, because 5 squared is 25. Now we have the following inequality. 4 is less than the square root of 19, which is less than 5. So we can see that the square root of 19 lies between 4 and 5. However, it's only 3 away from 16, while it's 6 away from 25. So we can see that the square root of 19 will fall closer to 4 than it does to 5. Now we can try to find values that multiply by themselves between 4 and 5 to give us something close to 19. Let's try 4.4 squared and see how close we can get to 19. 4 times 4 is 16, carry the 1. 4 times 4 is 16, plus 1 is 17. Add our 0. 4 times 4 is 16, carry the 1, and then 4 times 4 is 16, plus 1 is 17. When we add these values together, we get 19.36, which is very close to 19, so we'll approximate it in that way. We can now say that 4.4 squared gives us approximately 19. So then we can take the square root of both sides. When we take the square root of 4.4 squared, we can cancel out the square root with the squared, and that leaves us with 4.4. We can say that 4.4 is approximately the square root of 19.